So guys, it's really relaxing, guys. Look at guys. The water is so clear. Hello guys, we are preparing to go out again to do some sightseeing. But before that guys, I gonna show you. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung ano ng kaibigan ko guys, yung lugar nila. Yes. Frambos, yes. Guys, it's Frambos guys. Here, you want something guys? Pipitas ka lang dito tapos kainin mo.
Yung apo namin nangunguha dito.
Yeah. Look at guys.
But 1 year were little, then were bigger,
Yeah.
then were still bigger. My father didn't do anything about it, they still didn't.
Okay. So, guys, nakita yung castle nyo doon, guys. Yan. Dito yan sa view ng bahay ng kaibigan ko, guys. Yan. Kaya ang ganda ng lugar niya dito eh. Very refreshing and very relaxing. Charot. Yung kapitbahay nila, guys. Di ba? Ang laki ng mga bahay nila. At saka yung church niyan, guys. So, talagang si Maria, hindi talaga yan siya malate pag magpunta yan sa simbahan. Kasi gigisingin siya ng kampana ng simbahan. Ano yan, kapitbahay, neighbor ni, ni Maria yung church. So, that is the backyard, guys. It's a very big backyard. Very nice place there, guys. Yes. Yan, guys, they're talking man's talk.
Looks like golf there, in high position, they use it to stop the ball. So you have to get good stuff. Yeah. So a castle there. Or is it private?
So guys, we are here now. We reached the second home of Adi and Maria, guys, because before they live it here, but it's a little bit far to the
Maybe she thought that they're coming back
to the
anyway.
city, so that's why they bought another house into another place. So look at the surroundings, guys. It's nice, very relaxing. Look. Tingnan ninyo, guys. Diba ang ganda? Yan. The second house, second home, guys.
Okay. Yeah, that's actually
It's their second home.
yeah. Because I wanna build up a second floor. Yeah.
So we're getting inside. What is here, Dai?
Garage to.
It's a garage.
Namin.
Okay. Otherwise, you're alone outside. So we're entering, guys, into the house. We have to close this, darling.
Nee, wat open blijven.
Okay, for the smell.
Fresh air.
Okay, so guys, we are here at their house. Bed and breakfast, yes. Yes. So they are planning, guys, to make this as a bed and breakfast. Yes. It's okay actually, Dai. How many bedrooms? Yeah. How many bedrooms, Dai? 2. There's also 1 bedroom here, guys. Yan. And also at the other side also is also 1 bedroom here. 2 bedrooms actually. Guys, they have more groceries. Yes.
Noedels gehad?
Noodles. Ring, miguring. Imagine, guys, di ka talaga dito magugutom. But only the fridge is empty because
Ja.
So guys, this is a good size actually.
May bigas pa ako.
May bigas pa, yes, may rice. Yes, it's a good size actually, Inday. Yeah, para medyo lumaki.
Oo, hagdan na yan pataas na.
Yes.
Wala na itong kwartong to kasi magdadagdag na mo.
Kwarto sa taas, yes. Okay.
Yun na lang ang yes mo.
Yes. Actually, it's nice, Day.
Yung size, no? Sa amin lang.
The other house. Yes.
Mas malaki ang fridge nito, tingnan mo. Malaki ang fridge.
Mas malaki ba ito?
Oo, kasi ano ito eh. Freezer. Yung nasa bahay, ito lang.
Yeah?
Ang freezer niya, ito lang.
Kasi nakalagay kasi doon, Day, yung magnetron mo. Di ba? Oh yeah, mas malaki pala ito. Yeah.
Malaki ang freezer.
Stand nito, Day, no?
Si Adi ang gawa niyan.
Tingnan mo, very ano talaga si Adi, no? Handy.
Ito, hanggang dito, yan, ginawa niya. Ito open to, totoo lang.
Yeah.
Open to.
Oo.
Sinara lang namin ngayon
Kasi ano?
makapasukin ng...
Mm-mm.
Ito wala yan, open yan.
Okay.
So, kita mo dito dahil yung view dito. Ayan yung nakikita mo sa picture.
You have to go
Yan.
here.
Akala mo mataas yan.
Okay.
Pero mababa
Yeah.
yan.
This is the view, guys. Nandito yung mga city people. Taga Rotterdam. Kaya kapag napunta ka sa bukid, sa bundok talaga, oh! Yes, ang ganda.
Still cool, yeah. That's why I like it because yeah.
Yes, marinig mo itong mga langgam din, no? Yes, yung mga ibon. Alas 6, kailangan na ano na yan, eh.
Still, the road is quite near.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay actually, Adi, this house.
Don't have to go far.
Yes. Yeah. You are not mayabang, right? Look at guys. Look. Hello, my name is Georgie. Ang bait nito, guys. Mabait na aso ito si Georgie, eh. Yes. Georgie. Gusto niya ito, guys. Kapag ganyan, guys, ginaganyan mo yung tainga niya. Later on, guys, bababa na yan. Look, guys. Look. Mabait ito na aso. Takot ako sa aso, guys. But actually, sa kanya, hindi ako takot, eh. Ay, kuskat. Free massage. Massage. Kay kuskat. Yes. Head massage. Yeah. Give me your hands. Give me. Yes, thank you. How are you today? How are you today? Ang bait naman ni Georgie, eh. Look. sound, that is the water. There's a little bit of river, guys, there. Look at, guys. The river there. Look at, guys. It's very nice there. Look. Come. Georgia! Ay. Ha? Georgia! Saan tayo mag-ano dahil? Kain? Oh. Hindi pa. I mean, isa. Ayaw na magpatali. Gonna have to go for a walk, guys. We're gonna show you the... Walang ano dito, walang auto dadaan. Oh, it's a very nice. Oh. Look at, guys. Guys, what a very nice. Oh my God, look up. Guys, did you hear that one, guys? Is that a house? Hotel? Day, what? Ano yan, Day? Police state, police government. Oh, really? Smoy. Yes. Oh, really? Yes. Ang lamig siguro niyan, Day, no? Wala, may dak-dak pa doon. Daki-daki. Yes, tingnan nyo, guys. Yes. Yun na, guys, that is the Community House or CBR. Ano naman that, LTO kung sa atin, yan.
Okay.
There, on the top?
It's the skirts out there, they call it. It's a
Yeah?
hospital, a rehab center.
So that is the hospital, guys.
Yeah.
Yan. So
But
it's,
in the old days, when the people with asthma, they also got over Switzerland.
yeah? For the air.
At the sea in Holland, or there in the mountains. Yeah.
Pamilya, tapos tayo, i-sponsoran na nga natin. Papahirapan.
Kaya nga, oo.
Magbabahid na tayo lahat.
Ang ganda talaga dito. Oh my God! I'm getting crazy.
May tirahan na sila sa dulo.
Ha? Yeah. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakakita tayo ng ano? Dapat Chinese buffet. We will see if really a Chinese taste, Ade. If you're a Chinese taste.
But they are not.
They are not. No.
Not so much.
Yeah? Yeah? Mm-mm. Yes. Yeah. Diba? It's very nice here, Ade.
Some places in Finland, just all around the south pole. That's North Pole.
It's very nice. Day, alam mo, Day, parang na yung balahibo ko tumatayo dahil sa parang pag iniisip mo ba?
Picture mo yan, ang ganda.
Yes, teka muna.
Ano yung
So, Day, kapag dito si nanay mo, imagine ko, Day, gustuhan talaga ni nanay mo dito, Day. May pusa, guys. Miming! Ming! Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo pusa, Day. Miming!
ba nagpapaano talaga?
Yes! Miming! No? Yes. Napaka-relaxing dito, Day, no? Buti na madaldal si Ade.
Sabi ko dyan, tumigil ka na, hindi na naimik yung kausap mo. Ikaw na naimik. Paimikin mo din sila. Pag napasarap naman.
Oo.
Walang tigil.
Si Tonis din, kapag din, kuminsan, nag-interrupt din siya magsalita si Ade.
Hindi mo binahalata. Hindi na sila makaimik sa'yo. Ikaw na naman.
Ay, ay, ay. Hello. Scott, these are my dream house, Scott. House, wooden house. Oh, Day, ito na yung. Ito na yun. Bakit Scott siya? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. It's very nice. So guys, we are having our lunch and we are eating all of us schnitzels. It's really the Austrian specialty of the country, guys. Schnitzels. Schnitzels in English. Listen, guys. Schnitzels. What is schnitzels in English? Schnitzels. Wiener Schnitzel. Just
Jaeger schnitzel is with ham, huh?
so you have to eat, guys.
Guys ordered, guys did all kinds of schnitzels.
Yeah.
I think 12 different.
Yes, video talaga. Did you like it? Huh? Hadi, did you like it? No, not yet.
Enjoy it, man.
Not yet. You still have to wait. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The manner size.
The nose that you can eat more. Yes.
Still have to put some bait on it, so I get
Yeah?
bigger schnitzel.
Valt er nog een keer ik het vergeten allemaal.
Yeah? You have to show to your colleagues.
Toen was ik het vergeten, dan zijn die waren op zoek naar zijn grot.
Pag lalaki, ibang size eh.
What a very big, giant ice cream, guys. Look. It's very big. It's all, yeah. The bowl is very big, guys. Oh my God. Inday, you say hi. Say me.
Save me.
Scott. Take your picture out. Oh my God.
Happy si ano.
Tunis, yeah. Chin is very happy with the ice cream. The background is the stomach. Adi, that's why.
Even eat it.
Yeah?
Oké.
So guys, we are eating our
Small ice, yeah.
ice cream, guys. And how much it costs? It's just only for the one big pitchel na ito, guys. Pitchel. €6.90 only. Huh? 660. €6.60, guys. Imagine. Isang pitchel na na ice cream. My goodness. You need a 1 barrel of ice cream. Because
Now you know.
Grabe ka.
Now you know why they're giving these big spoons.
O, sabay lang ah.
yes.
Oh,
Dana. Ate, may si ate.
I think I have one another.
It's not enough. Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. It's very clean. For us, dahil. Malinis din sa amin, oy.
yung sa amin,
Oh.
guys.
Oo, sis.
Ang daming net, oh.
That's it.
That's it.
Before and after.
Before and after.
Yeah, the winner.
Where do we... I tell you, guys, can you please, who is the winner, guys? This one with the camela or this one with the chocolate? Please comment down below, yeah?
Kami, marami kayong milk.
Much great left.
Yes. Kijk eens, kijk.
Ja.